The article talks about Kiin Extraordinary Thai at Skydeck in San Diego. It's more than just a restaurant. It's a culinary experience that showcases the best of Thai cuisine.
The restaurant prides itself on its commitment to authenticity and quality, using traditional Thai ingredients and cooking methods. But it also uses farm-fresh local ingredients to add a unique twist.
What a great combination of flavors. The article also mentions some of the interesting dishes on the menu, like the steamed fish with spicy lime vinaigrette, braised beef panang curry, mu yang mixture, and tangerine crispy chicken.
The article also talks about the restaurant's location at Skydeck. It sounds like a great place to visit if you're looking for a new dining experience.
Absolutely. So if you're in San Diego and looking for some amazing Thai cuisine, be sure to check out Kiin Extraordinary Thai at Skydeck.
That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in.